Welcome to Choo Choo TV.
Hello, this is the true story of Lessons about Claws and Fangs. What on earth is going on out there? Hey, now cut that out. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Choo-choo, you poked holes in my foot with your fangs.
Sorry, Daddy.
But wow, what an impressive bite. It was my fault that Choo-choo bit me. You should never get close to a cat fight. Cats will react quickly out of instinct to defend themselves, and can hurt you by accident. Stinky, don't be such a big bully. Come here, Tom, I will protect you.
Boo.
Oh! Oh!
Tom, you scratched my eye with your claws. But it was not Tom's fault.
Was it my fault, Daddy?
No, Stinky. We have to remember that a scared cat can be dangerous when they are trying to escape danger. But maybe you can try to not be such a bully because I am always the one who gets hurt.
That's the funny part.